Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to be designing this chord model form thing that we have over here. So this has some good auto layout, some good colors, and yeah, let's just jump right in. So I'll just move this to the left, and these are all the text that's in the image in this chord over here. So I'll start by creating a similar sized chord. So this is a frame. I'll add auto layout to that, so it's here. I'll just name this as chord for now. So that's good. Let's just fill it with white, add a stone, maybe slate for now, slate border, give it some border radius. That's good. Height is good, and I'll change the stroke to 0.5. Perfect. Okay, now we have a base to work on. I'll just change it to 500 or even less than that for now. Perfect. Okay, so first we have this header section, which is again auto layout. It has a travel planner header and a subtitle over here, so let's create that. So I'm just going to copy the text, a travel planner, and the subtitle, which is this one. Great. So I'll change the height to fixed, and I'll make this as a separate auto layouted header. So this is our header now, header, and I'll add maybe 20 as auto layout, and I'll change this to 16 semi bold, and the gap maybe can be 6, and this can be like slate 500. I'll just change all the text from stone to slate, because everything here is stone colors, and I just want to see how it looks in more bluish tint. So yeah, let's continue. Perfect. Let's continue. Next we have this section, the API key section. So let's start with these two text, Gemini API key and get one from Google AI Studio. So Gemini API key is here and get one from Google AI Studio is here. Okay, this should be not fill but hub contents, and it should be in auto layout. Perfect. I'll just set this a fill container, and okay, this looks good. Maybe this can be slate 500, and we can add underline to this one. Perfect. Okay, now we have enter Gemini API key and save buttons. So let's take those two. This should be fill, and I'll add auto layout for both of them, and let's see, I'll add auto layout to both of them, and again I'll fill it. Perfect. Now I'll add some height and padding to it. So let's select both of that and add some 14 or 16 pixels padding, and height of maybe 30. Oh, it's 34 here. Okay, so yeah, 34 is good. Perfect. And I'll add a stroke of slate 300 with 0.5. Perfect. And I'll also add a background color of white. Great. Okay, so let me select both of these now, and I'll add padding 8, padding 20 to both of that, and I'll add slate 300 to maybe top and bottom only. 0, 0, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, now we have top and bottom padding. So this can be fill container. Perfect. This can be 16. Great. looks great. And great. Okay, so this should be like regular and slate 500, and it can be 14 or 12 even. Yep, that looks good. And we can reduce the padding also. Go to this. Yeah, this looks good. Now it's time to add the background strokes, which are here. So let me just select this, and yeah, let's add the background stroke that's here. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna select this card over here, API section. So in this API section, I'm gonna add a line with 135 degree minus 135 degrees and maybe 10. Perfect. I'll add it inside that, and I'll add ignore auto layout for that section. Perfect. I'll center it, and I'm gonna clip content. Great. I'm gonna push it backward. Maybe 10 is a bit too much. 8 should be fine, I think. Okay, push it backward, and I'm just gonna duplicate it like this. Perfect. So I'm gonna select all the lines, and maybe we can give it slate 300. Nope, that's too much. Slate 100 is fine. What's here? Yeah, stone 100. Yeah, slate 100 is fine here. Okay, so we're done with the header and we're done with the API section. Let's move on to the form section, especially these 4 form inputs. So let me get source, destination, enter departure city, enter destination city. Okay, so source, enter departure city, destination, enter destination city. Okay, so we have these 4 things now. I'm just gonna copy this text box, paste it here. Nope, height is always 34. Perfect. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. Copy this and paste it here. Great. I'm gonna delete these. Move it to bottom. Make this fill container. Perfect. And let's add some 6 gap to that, and let's add the same gap to this one also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Perfect. Let's make them an auto layout, and yeah, this seems fine. Let's add maybe 16 pixels padding in between them. Let's see. Yeah, 16 is fine. Perfect. Perfect. And now we have budget, which is this one, and the placeholder label. Oops. Placeholder label, and next is number of travelers. Okay, so number of travelers, and it's placeholder label. Perfect. Okay, so these are all done. Great. Okay, so that's done. Let me add an auto layout. So this will be our main body, card body. So I'm adding 10 pixels and maybe 18 pixels. That looks fine. Okay, so this section is our main body. So we still need to add some things. So this will be like form body. Perfect. Okay, next we need to add travel dates and this date picker. Let's do that over here. So I'm just gonna copy this one, paste it here, paste it way over here, and I want to fill container. Perfect. So this will have travel dates, which is right here. does this have 2% thing? I'm just gonna remove that. Perfect. Okay, travel dates and pick a date range. So travel dates is done. Pick a date range will be over here, and this also has an icon. So let me just select my UI icons, and this should be calendar icon. Calendar. Yeah, this looks great. Let me just change it to 20. Perfect. And maybe 1.5. Maybe I can reduce it a little bit. 18. Yeah, that looks good. And next we have interest. So I'll just copy this and paste it, and copy interest way over here. Perfect. So this is done, and the placeholder for that. Yep, so this is also done. And next we have the mode of transportation. I'll again copy this over and enter mode of transportation over here. Perfect. And this will have flight, but this should be medium. No, this should have a darker color. Perfect. And it should also have a flight icon. Perfect. Here we have like 18x18, so I'll make this 18x18 also, and 1.25 width. Perfect. And this also has a drop down over here, so I'll just put that over here. Perfect. So I added this as auto layout, and I have added auto as the cap, so it's on either side of the thing. And I'll just change the color to slate here also. Perfect. That's done. So flight is done. Mode of transportation is done. Pick a date range is also done. The final thing is generated travel plan. So that will come way over here at the bottom. So this will have generate travel plan, and it will be a button, so should be full width, and its height is 50. Okay, so I'll change the height to 50. Perfect. Now I'll set the height to auto, and this can be red 500. Perfect. I'll make this semi bold. Yeah, that's it. Done. But I don't like this red with this bluish gray. I'll just change to something like blue, so that it goes with the bluish gray. Yeah, for this tone gray color, red is good, but for bluish gray color, I think this blue is good. Okay, but that's it. It's a little bigger than what we have here. That's because, why is it bigger? Let's see. So the header is 82, here is also 82, 101, here is also 101, and the form is, height is 387, let's see over here, it's 397, why is that? Yeah, I think the problem is the height between the label and the text box. So it's 6 here and it's 4 over here. So let me just select everything and change it to 4. Perfect. Now both are the same height. So yeah, you just recreated this code model, whatever, into we just recreated it with slightly different colors, but yeah, it looks the same, and that's how you use auto layout to create cards like this. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you need more videos like this, and that's it for now. Bye bye.